Hello and welcome to this week's Trade of the Week on Monday, the 15th of April 2024. Last week we went long the DAX 40 index and did so after forming this bullish hammer formation, which was confirmed by a close above the high of that hammer formation on the daily candlestick chart. And we basically went long around 18,284, but then got stopped out when we had our stop loss below the hammer here at 18,085. So that trade encountered a loss. But from a technical perspective, what I am still seeing here is potentially a corrective move the corrective move we've seen over the last 2 weeks having ended. And obviously very much it will depend on the tensions surrounding the Middle East and what is going to happen there in the course of this week. But for me, as long as we stay above the low seen last week, we should, at least short-term, head back up again with regards to the DAX 40 contract. Now, before I give you the trade of the week from a technical perspective that you could perhaps look at, I want to show you another hammer formation which we made here on Thursday. And some traders traded this one, but that was a mistake because not only did they get stopped out, but the reason they did also is because they didn't have a buy signal. So you should go long this pattern from a technical perspective if you have a close above the candle high, but not just intraday, because sometimes this sort of thing happens where you just have an intraday break, but then you actually close below the low of the hammer, and that then would incur a loss in this case. But anyway, back to our trade of the week. To go long the DAX 40 contract is the trade for this week. So this week's trade of the week is to buy the DAX 40 index with a stop loss below Friday's low and an upside target around the 18,500 mark.